Hey guys, how you doing? Coach Keon here, and I just want to tell you that America is for sale. Imagine we have a national debt that's pulling well over $34 trillion right now. If you don't believe me that our debt is extremely that high, go to the usdebtclock.org. usdebtclock.org. As you can see behind me here on the screen, it says that U.S. government debt is sold in the form of securities to both domestics and foreign investors, as well as corporations and other governments. U.S. securities issue treasury bills called T-bills, notes, bonds, and as well as U.S. savings bonds. That's how you can buy a piece of our national debt. So when you think about, is debt good for America? I wouldn't know, but I know it's good for the investors. And that's the very reason why China holds one of our highest amount of debt. People like Japan, Saudi Arabia, and many other countries buy our debts. So while they accumulate debt and sell it to other investors, private and domestic. So are you going to own a piece of the national debt? Or are you just going to keep adding to it? If you'd like to learn more about these type of things, text the word "I am ready" so I can start teaching you.